In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Outlook email as a PDF in 2025. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you need to archive emails, share them in a universal format, or simply ensure you have an offline copy for your records. Stick with me as we go through this straightforward process, step by step. First, make sure you're already logged into your Outlook desktop application. Now, head over to your inbox where all your emails reside. Take a moment to find the email you wish to convert into a PDF. Once you've located it, give it a click. This will open the email in full view. Now, direct your attention to the right corner of this open email. You should see a series of 3 dots. These dots are your gateway to more options, so go ahead and click on them. This will reveal a drop-down menu filled with additional actions you can take regarding the email. From this drop-down menu, you want to look for the print option. It might be located towards the bottom of the list. Once you've spotted it, give it a click. This action will bring up the print dialog box. Here, you can specify how you'd like to print or, in our case, save the document. In the printer section of the dialog box, you probably see a list of available printers. What you're going to do here is select Save as PDF. This option is crucial because instead of sending your email to a physical printer, it will allow you to convert the document into a PDF file. Once you've selected Save as PDF, you might be wondering what happens next. While it might sound like you're getting ready to print, what you're actually doing is setting up to save the email as a file. To finalize this process, you'll need to click the print button. Despite the misleading button label, this doesn't mean you're actually printing anything in the traditional sense. Instead, clicking print will open another dialog box that lets you save the PDF to your computer. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like the PDF to be saved. You can also give your document a new name if you prefer something different from the subject line of the email. Once you've made these decisions, hit save and voila, your email is now securely stored as a PDF document. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to save an Outlook email as a PDF. This easy method not only helps keep your important emails organized, but also makes them readily accessible whenever you need them, even without an internet connection. So there you have it. You're now ready to manage your emails more efficiently by converting them into PDFs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.